Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel. And what are the 7 questions that you need to ask a solo ad vendor before you buy any kind of solo ad traffic? That is what we're going to be covering in this video. So I'm going to be telling you the 7 questions that you need to ask a solo ad vendor before you even purchase 100 clicks or maybe 50 clicks or whatever budget you have out on buying solo ad. Okay, so make sure to watch this video because this could save a lot of your money, my friend, because I'm there in the solo ad business for like 4 to 5 years, and I have purchased a lot of solo ads from a lot of different solo ad vendors. So I know for a fact which are the solo ad vendors which basically show you that they have premium quality traffic, and which are the vendors who actually have premium quality traffic and they never ever show off. They are always there to answer all your questions. So what is the difference between the solo ad vendor which is always there to help their clients and which are the solo ad vendor which are there to just rip off your money? So this is what you should the questions that you should ask every solo ad vendor before you buy a solo ad. So let's take a look at these questions. So the first question you need to ask a solo ad vendor before you buy the traffic is when you would be able to start the clicks and how much time it would take to complete that campaign, that clicks. Now remember, this is a really smart question, my friend. If a solo ad vendor is not that big one, if he doesn't have a list, trust me, it's going to take a lot of time to complete your campaign, even if it is 100 clicks campaign. Okay, because maybe he would buy from somebody else and then resell it to you. Okay, so make sure you are attentive on this. Okay, so for 100 clicks, usually 24 to 48 hours is max. Okay, you should be getting it. Important thing is, if a solo ad vendor says that, okay, I'm going to be starting your traffic within 24 hours or the time you buy from him, please make sure, caution there, and think about it. If somebody is starting your traffic immediately, that doesn't mean he's a really helpful or he's a good vendor. That means he's not having orders. He's not getting orders from a lot of people. And when somebody is not getting orders from a lot of people, that does mean that he doesn't have a quality traffic. Okay, so make sure to understand, usually 1 to 2 days is a good timing because their schedule is packed. Those vendors who have a really high quality list are always booked up. Okay, maybe 2 days, 3 days, sometimes even 10 to 15 days, because people come back to buy from him over and over again. Now think about it. If you are buying clicks from a guy who is getting you 500 clicks and getting you sales, you would again buy from that person. Okay, you will reschedule 1,000 clicks order. Okay, so those people who are starting your clicks right off the bat, stay away from that. You need to just judge them what they say. If they're starting right away, please make sure to give some time to them and order after some days. Okay, now the second question which you need to ask is, what would be the tier 1 percentage of your traffic? Now in the long run, I can show you that tier 1 percentage, that is top tier countries clicks, that are US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Ireland, or maybe Singapore. Okay, the clicks from these countries are really valuable in the long run also. So make sure to get 100% tier 1 clicks, because even if the tier 3 or tier 2 percentage of people are there on your list, but they're not going to be that much valuable in the long run if you're promoting a CPU offer, if you're then moving forward in your business, and after some time, maybe 2 years, 3 years, if you're selling clicks, people would always prefer tier 1 traffic. So make sure to get it at 100% tier, or not less than 90%, my friend. 90% is the max, I would say. Don't get less than 90%. Let me say. So I would say 90% should be the max that you should be looking for, not less than that, my friend. Okay, then the next question that you should be asking solo ad vendor, which is really important. How many leads that you are adding onto your list on a daily basis, weekly basis, or monthly basis? Now, a lot of vendors would tell you whatever number they want, okay? But the results are something that you would know that the list is fresh or not. Not a lot of vendors are going to be telling you the truth, that they would be saying that they are adding 400 subscribers onto your list. They are adding like 3,000 per month as subscribers onto your list, of that kind of thing. But eventually, when you see the results, when you buy the solo ad from that particular solo ad vendor, that result will speak for itself. Because if they are getting fresh leads onto the list, they would be more responsive, they would be more aggressive. Okay, so this depend on the results also. So yeah, this would be like you would see some testimonials from that solar vendor, okay, and then you would see that if they are getting sales or not. If they're getting sales for like 200 clicks and 100 clicks, maybe you should only start with 200 clicks. That is what I would recommend, not go for 400 or 1000. 200 is the good number to test out to see if you're getting one sale, two sales, or maybe what kind of opportunity you are getting. So that would confirm that they are getting fresh leads onto the list. All right. Now the next question, which is a fourth question, is, and this is something a really tricky one, and not a lot of solar vendor would like this question. Okay, how do you build your email list, or what is the main source to add your leads to your list? Top of that, add this question, my friend. Can you add me to your list to see how you use your email, sir? And 95+% of the solar vendor would not agree on that. Okay, it's okay. It's completely fine. Okay, we're not here to emotionally attached to any solar vendor. So if you think that you are offending some solar vendor, make sure you understand, my friend, it's your business. Okay, never feel that kind of thing. Okay, it's not emotional attachment, it's a business question. You're putting in your hard-earned money into this business, so you have the right to ask these questions. Okay, so always ask them, how do you build a list? You need to understand, my friend, from what source they're building the list. If they're buying traffic from another solar vendor, which is buying from another solar vendor, then probably you are paying a solar vendor which have a rubbish list. Okay, great traffic source is kind of like a media buying, or maybe Google ads, YouTube ads, okay, or from the reputed organic source. Okay, so like news feeds, okay, that kind of thing. So if somebody is getting traffic from this source, then probably it's a great way. Okay, and you should always ask this question: what is your primary source of building your email list? Okay, and just ask this question: can you add me to your list so that I can see how you mail my campaign? All right, so ask this question. I'm sure 95% of the solar vendor would not agree on that, but let it go. Maybe one or two will agree on that. It's hard. Okay, the fifth question is going to be: have you promoted this offer in the last couple of days? This is a really important question, which is whatever offer you're promoting, you should always ask, have you promoted this offer in the past? Or if you have promoted, how much days have been passed? Okay, so maybe 1 month is a good time. If he says that I have promoted it recently, then you should wait for 2 to 3 weeks again. Make sure you have 1 month time as a gap, okay, so that he refreshes his list and he has got new eyeballs on his list, so that your offer is not seeing to the same audience which have already seen that offer. Okay, so make sure to ask this question. It's a really important question. Okay, now the sixth question is: how do you primarily make money through your list? By selling clicks, or you promote any affiliate offers? My friend, this is an important question, my friend. Listen to this. Those solar vendors who are just making money selling clicks are garbage solar ad providers. Trust me on this. They are garbage. They are just making money just by selling clicks to another solar ad vendor, or maybe selling to another people. Okay, you should be buying solo ad from that person who is making money through promoting affiliate offers. 75 to 80% of their income should be through promoting affiliate offers. Let me tell you why. Because they are not dependent on this solo ad business. Okay, they can make money either way at any time. Okay, you should be having a solo ad vendors list who are making money through promoting affiliate offers, who are on the leaderboards of some of the launches. Make sure to see the leaderboards of most of the big launches, and you would find that they have, or they're in the like 5th standing, maybe 10th, maybe 20th, that standing. So you know that they are promoting affiliate offers also, and you should be getting traffic from these kind of solo ad providers. Okay, don't buy solo ad traffic from a vendor who is just making money 100% of just selling the clicks. It's going to be really rubbish traffic. All right, now the last question, which is going to be, do you offer any discount? And this is something which is, yeah, you should ask. You should not feel ashamed for it, and most of the vendors are always welcome about it. Okay, they would always give you discount. Okay, and you should always ask for a discount. Okay, when you get a good reputation, most of the vendor would highly they would give you the discount. Okay, or even when you buy the first traffic, you give him testimonial, you give him good reviews, then for the next second run, that person would give you a really good deal. Okay, so make sure to ask for a discount every time. Okay, I always do. And some vendors who are buying from whom I am buying solo ad, that they were selling at 67 per click, 67 cents per click, like $67 for 100 clicks. Now they give me for like $50 for 100 clicks. So they have decreased their price from 67 cents to 50 cents. Okay, because I'm a regular buyer from those people. Okay, now ask these 7 questions, my friend. Is really important. Those solo ad vendors who answer all of these questions are really open to help you, my friend. And those people who get annoyed, feel free to delete them. Please make sure it's your money. Be safe with your money. And again, a good place to buy solo ad is always Udemy Marketplace, which I highly recommend because they have got great tracking, great reviews, real reviews, and yeah, you're going to be paying a bit higher, but the quality of the traffic will be really of high quality. Okay, so that was my video on what are the 7 questions that you should be asking a solo ad vendor before you make a solo ad purchase. So let me know how you like this video. If you like it, you can click the like button, and if you didn't like it, just click the dislike button. But let me know what you didn't like so that I can improve myself in my next video. All right, you can tell me about more videos that you want to hear from me about affiliate marketing, and I'm going to be trying to make videos on those subjects. Okay, so till the next time, have a great day, my friend. Bye bye.